The VG7000 series bronze control valves from Johnson Controls are designed primarily to regulate the flow of hot or chilled water, or 38 psig saturated steam, in response to the demand of a controller in heating, ventilating, or air conditioning systems. These valves are available in normally open, normally closed, and three-way mixing configurations. Both electric and pneumatic actuators are available for factory or field mounting. This Johnson Control bronze control valve can be mounted or ordered factory coupled to the Johnson Control VA4233 series electric valve actuator, with no additional linkages required. For more products from Johnson Controls, please visit galco.com.